Hey guys, so back again. In this video I'm gonna give you a little tour of my friend's apartment. Now I know I mentioned in the last video that I would include it in that one, and the reason I didn't was let's get more views, obviously. No, the reason I didn't is because I wanted to just break up the topics, yeah? So I didn't want this potentially very good apartment tour that lots of people could benefit from finding getting buried amongst the video of me going to get my computer fixed. So just two shorter videos, but split them up, and then these apartment videos seem to age pretty well, right? So if somebody's doing a search in future, they might come across this video. You might be watching this video now because that happened, because you did that search. If I had slung it in the last video, you never would have found it. So this condo is just right on the corner of the northeast of Chiang Mai, in the old city. You come up to the corner, I'll put up a clip, and then you walk up the street, and there's a bunch of them. There's a few little condos up here. I never really knew there were many over here, but I actually don't know the name of it right now. I'm just walking up to it. I'm going to give him a call, have him come down and meet me and show me the inside of it. We'll talk about prices and all of that, but it's a very good location. Like I said, it's the northeast of the city, so you walk like, I don't know, 10 minutes that way, you're at Thapae Gate. Go down there, go to the bars if you want to go down there. Got all your Western food, McDonald's and all that sort of stuff down there. Yeah, it's a very good location, and for the price he's paying, it's crazy good. I just have to see the inside, so seems too good to be true, to be fair. For this location, you'd probably normally be looking about at least 8, 9, 10,000 in this part of the city, because you are literally on the doorstep of the tourist hotspots, right? Thapae Gate and all of that stuff. So this is the name of the condo. It's the BP Grand Service Apartment, and it says there they do monthly rooms for rent, as you can see behind me. Usually that would be a nice view of the mountain, but because Chiang Mai is so polluted right now, you can barely see it, which is a shame. But yeah, this is the condo. Hello? You alright, buddy? I'm just downstairs in your reception. 4th floor. Alright mate, see you in a sec, bye. Alrighty there. Lost for words, really. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. I just saw that toothpick.
It's crazy, isn't it? Did you see that picture when I put it on social media?
I did, yeah, but I didn't know if that was something you'd found on the internet that was going viral, because it was so ridiculous.
I couldn't believe it when I saw it.
It's actually real. Alright, so this is your apartment, mate.
It is indeed. This is where I live.
It's where Mark lives, B409. If you want to find him, you know where to get him.
It's quite tidy.
Yeah, you had to tidy up because you know I was coming.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Shut your door. You got some lights. You like a vampire. Alright, nice man, nice.
To be honest, for the price and the location, I think it's absolutely perfect.
Yeah, what'd you pay for it?
5,300 baht a month.
5,300. I was just saying the location is really good. The money for the money.
Yeah, exactly.
Big ass TV, mate.
Yeah, it's because I've got Paradise.
Yeah. How big is that?
55.
Right, nice.
Oh, so it's not too bad at all.
Did you buy that here?
Yeah.
What'd you pay for it?
Well, what I did, right, because I've been coming to Chiang Mai and stuff, I've got a condo that I kind of store things in, but it's outside the city, so I don't stay there. And I had I think it's a 41 or 42, something like that, a smaller TV. So I literally put it on a Facebook forum, Sold it within about 20 minutes, and I sold it for about 4,000 or 5,000 baht. Took the money, went straight down to the local shop, and then put that towards this TV, which is about 8,000 or 9,000 baht.
Nice. It's not expensive, is it?
It's not, because it's not a big name. It's called TCL, which I've never heard of, but the quality is incredible.
Yeah, it looks good.
And the sound's all right.
So how long have you been? How long have you been here?
This is my second month, and the good thing is, it's crazy, right? They say that if I want to stay a year, I've got to put a deposit down. But they said, okay, if you want to stay 1 or 2 months, you don't need to put a deposit down. So I'm kind of, it's crazy. It should be the other way around, right?
So there's no deposit.
No, not for staying there 1 or 2 months.
Right, so it was 5,300.
5,300.
Right. Did you say they did any other rooms, or was this the only style of room?
No. They do another one, which basically on the balcony you'll find there's like a kitchen bit, so you'll have a sink and you'll have some units, and that's 5,700.
That's one of the little outdoor kitchens.
Yeah, so it's on the balcony, and they give you a hot plate as well and a microwave. But that's the most expensive condo in the block, 5,700.
Right.
So there are two, 5,003, 5,007.
What's that in dollars? It's like
I can
$280, something like that.
I can
have a look at your bathroom.
I quite like the bathroom because you'll see it's cordoned off.
Oh, that's nice, yeah.
So many of them have these kind of open plan bathrooms, so if someone's going to the toilet, you're kind of sitting in the water from the shower.
Oh, yes. So you get like, I know what you're saying, you get the shower.
Exactly.
Cubicle. Cool, you've got the balcony here.
Yep. Camera
won't focus.
So to give you an idea, right, 5,700 baht is 140 Great British pounds or 174 US dollars. So that's the most expensive room they do.
That's crazy, it's so cheap.
And literally, I walk down into Thapae Gate or Loi Krai, and it takes me about 10 minutes walking if I'm slow.
Yeah, I was just saying, it's a really good location. You would never need a bike, would you?
No, I've just got a push bike.
Right.
Because you don't need a bike. Everything's within walking distance. 7-Eleven's around the corner. 7-Eleven's about 3 minutes. Restaurants galore.
Yeah.
Like I say, Thapae Gate's just down the road. You've got the old city you can walk into. I walk to the park sometimes, and that takes me about 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes.
Right.
So that's quite nice when everything's kind of normal.
Yeah. And this is your setup. So Mark's an online teacher. More about that to come, but this is where you do your work, right?
This is my nook.
Your nook.
This is my nook where I do things. So I've got, obviously you can see from the back, that's my background. So that's the only thing I would say sometimes is that when you kind of have your setup, you'll see a lot of these desks are kind of pointed towards the wall.
Right, yeah.
But because you're a teacher, you want everything behind you.
Right,
so it's a case of flipping it around. Ideally, I'd have the computer in here and face this way, but I need this behind me.
Yeah.
But you know what I thought about doing as well, you know, what you can do is you could have, you know, like a children's blackboard behind you that's kind of stood up.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea.
You can kind of then move it, so you can have these on a blackboard that are right behind the screen. So you
could make like a little room then as well, wouldn't it? It'd be like a room divider almost.
Exactly that.
And how much is the air conditioning here?
The electric I pay, I think it's about 8 units. Oh, sorry, 8 bahts per unit. So my last bill, because I've stayed here now 2 months, my last bill was about 800 baht.
That's insane. Yeah.
And free water.
What was free? And what about Wi-Fi and internet?
Well, this is the thing. In here, you get the Wi-Fi from the building. However, I want to be in control of the Wi-Fi, which is why I decided to get my own router.
Right.
And I basically paid for them to come and install it, so they run a cable.
Yep.
And my internet is, I showed you some of the speeds, it's 200 megabits per second.
Oh, you got the 200 meg one.
It's incredibly fast.
Crazy. How much you pay for that?
691, I think.
Right.
Which is really good with 3 BB.
Yeah. Man, I remember about 4 or 5 years ago, it was like, it's always 600 baht. It was 600 baht for 20 meg, and then a year later it was 600 baht for 30 meg. Then it was 600 baht for 50. I think I pay 600 baht and I have 50 meg, but I could basically have 200 now if I just upgrade my contract.
And the thing for teaching as well is basically that means I've got two kind of ways to get on the internet. I've got the whole building.
Yep.
Which is a little bit slower, and then I've also got my my router in here as well.
How fast is the whole building's internet?
I did a speed net check, and I think it was around. I can't remember exactly, but it was in between 10 and 30. That was what I was getting in the room which is good enough for teaching.
Yeah, it's good enough for most things. Right?
But I just want to make sure that I've got control. I want a wired connection as well.
Yeah, good thing about that is if you do put your own connection in your condo, then you've still got the condos one as well.
Yeah.
So you've almost got like a backup.
Exactly that.
So if one goes down, you've got the other one. And then also you could obviously tether to your phone as well. You've got a third backup.
And to kind of tie this in with teaching as well, we get a massive amount of bonuses. And if you miss one of the lessons in that month for a fault of your own, for internet, you could lose $200, $300, $400 bonus.
Oh, gotcha. So you need it for your job.
So always make sure that you're online.
Yeah. And what company? I remember you mentioning to me it's FreeBB, right?
FreeBB, yeah.
And you have to have a contract with them.
This one I've got through my girlfriend, so right. it's easier. What they tend to do is that if you're a foreigner and you don't have anyone else to put it in their name, I think they want to kind of then tie you in for a contract, or you have to pay up front. Yeah,
that's the only problem with FreeBB, guys. If you move into a condo, every condo has different contracts, different internet companies. If you move into a condo in Chiang Mai or in Thailand and it's FreeBB, they're going to make you pay 6 months up front of the contract.
Yeah, because you've had this before, haven't you?
Yeah. Whereas
sign it a different.
Sign it will let you pay monthly.
Yeah, they will, but they will tie you into a contract.
Still tie into a contract, but you can pay monthly. The problem is, like I say, every condo has a contract with a different internet company.
Correct.
So that's, I guess, one downside to this condo. But it's so cheap, man. It's crazy.
It's incredibly cheap.
Is this your fridge, or do they give it to you?
The only things that I've basically bought are I bought the chair, I bought the table. This is their TV.
Right.
I bought the TV and that TV stand as well. So
so you get a TV with it.
Yeah, you get this TV, which I've then swapped over to use as my second monitor. But you do get a TV.
Right, nice.
You know, and yeah, you get that. You don't get any of these appliances. These are all mine as well. It's quite basic. You do get plenty of wardrobe space.
Yeah.
I like to keep all my dresses and stuff in there.
Yeah, but if you just get in here, if you just come into Thailand, I think you was already talking about moving to a bigger place.
Well, just because the teaching's going so well.
Yeah.
I actually saw a place today, and it was absolutely incredible.
Right.
Because you always want to kind of look at things better, especially when things are going really well for you.
Yeah, which you are.
The teaching's going really well. It's been going well for a prolonged period of time, so I can, touch wood, I can kind of almost say, okay, I can start planning and do slightly more stuff now with my money.
And what's your budget for your next place?
It's going to be about in between 10 and 15.
10 and 15, yeah. Cool, but this is ideal. I mean, you've only been in Chiang Mai, what, 6 months?
Yeah.
I mean, if somebody just coming here, arriving for the first time, what a quality little spot. You don't need much else. If you're just like a bachelor on your own, you just, no contract, come here, 1 month, 5,300 baht, and then use that time to, like you say, look around, upgrade if you want to.
The one thing I want to say as well is next door, because I basically moved from next door to here. They do 3-month contracts. So if you came here for 3 months on a 3-month tourist visa or a 60-day tourist visa with an extension, you could stay there, and that's about 7,500. Again, incredibly fast internet.
Right.
It's in the you got the routers outside.
And what's that one called?
That's called Pinkan Mansion, and it's literally next door to this. So again, you've got a brilliant location. It is spotlessly clean.
Right.
It's a big room.
Yeah.
Same type of thing. You get a TV, good aircon.
Yeah, interesting.
And it's all about the location. It's this thing in location, and this is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, you don't ride a bike, do you? You said a push bike, yeah.
Yeah, just a push bike because it's convenient. Everything that I need to do, I mean, I play pool, which is just down the road. I go and meet you guys and stuff down there. It can all be done from walking.
Yeah.
When I need to, I can just get a grab anyway because they're all in the city.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Well, thanks for letting us have a little look around, Mark. Appreciate it. All right, so that's BP Apartments, guys. Yeah, I know it's not an ideal time to be doing an apartment tour, but like I said, these videos age pretty well anyway. Obviously it's coronavirus is happening right now, so you probably can't even travel to Thailand, but if you're watching this now, you can put it on your list for when you do come back, or perhaps you're probably going to find this video in 6 months or a year from now, and all of these problems will be over. Like I said, these videos age very well. They get found in the search engines months and months later, so hopefully it'll be beneficial to some of you in the future. But yeah, no contract, $5,300. Cheap aircon.
It's not $5,300.
5,300 baht. Bit of a rip, wasn't it? Cheap aircon. But yeah, hope you like it, guys, and take care. Cheers. Before we go, me and Mark have just been sitting and chatting. As you can see, Mark's an online teacher, and we've been planning to do some videos for a long time about teaching online. And when are you going to do it? Next week we'll do it?
Yeah. About
next week. You're going to come and do a Q&A, right?
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to do a Q&A, and we're going to talk about online teaching and what Mark does here in Chiang Mai to make a living. So if any of you guys do have any questions for Mark, just put them in the description, and hopefully we can get to them next week. We'll answer some of your questions. So if that's something you're interested in, you know, I'm always trying to make videos that can help you guys make money online so that you can live out here and stuff like that. So yeah, leave your questions below, and we'll get to them in an upcoming video.
Well, I was going to say anything about the process, how you become a teacher, what you need to do to be a teacher, and also how this current scenario and obviously the coronavirus is affecting me as a teacher, or not, as the case may be. So I think that's useful to try and show people as well that in this day and age of uncertainty, this is a really good thing to still be doing. So yeah, any questions you've got about the whole process.
You're crushing it right now, bro. You've got more lessons than ever, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why, but at the moment and for the last month I've been doing more lessons than I ever have done before, and I really like to do about 17, and that still gives me enough money and enough free time to do loads and loads of things. But they're asking me each week, can you do more, can you do more? Yeah. Just to kind of help them out. I'm now up to like 20, 21 lessons a week. Yeah. Which is still not a lot in the scheme of things.
And you're making a couple of grand as well, right?
Yeah, last pay slip was $2,035.
Wow, yeah. So yeah, guys, we'll make a video next week talking about online teaching. So something interesting. Like I say, comments below. Take care. Peace.